What up, what up, what up? It's your boy D-House over here at the Intuit Dome. Taking some video. They've done some more work, some more glass, almost all the way around the building. Found out this is going to be the bridge for the people to go across the street to the parking structure. So let me see if I can walk around here, see the glass almost around the building. Big airplane flying over. They're doing pretty good work, moving pretty fast. As you see, the glass is almost around the building. Intuit Dome parking structure for the Clippers. Did a pretty good job in finishing it. It's almost done, I believe. See, the glass is almost all the way around. To the other side. Guess these are going to be like their offices, which is good. Right here by the stadium. So see, the glass is almost all the way around. See inside the parking structure. This is part of the parking structure. Going in off Prairie. I guess they'll finish the driveway here sooner or later. Yeah, this is going in off Prairie. How you doing? Yeah, the glass is almost all the way done, all the way around. See? So the glass is all hit the end on this side. Real nice stadium so far. More office space and maybe some parking. Not sure over here. Still a lot of space. And as you see, this was 102nd. So they cut off part of 102nd. So you can't go through here no more. It's 102nd going east, west, towards the airport. 102nd going west towards the airport. Used to go east, now you can't go east through here, from Prairie anymore. I guess I got an employee entrance right here where people can go in, the construction guys go in. It's going to be probably a sign up top. Looks pretty good. Like I said, they're moving pretty fast. People move across the street. Going to come up with the parking structure. Yeah, that glass is coming along just fine. And they're doing some work on the ceiling, I guess, on the roof. Another plane flying over to LAX. Movie theater across the street. Looks good, looks good. Gonna be real good. Can't wait to see it done. Thanks, John K, for giving us the update. I'm helping you out with it too. Can't wait till it's done. Going here to see some Clipper games. It's going to be an exciting place to see. Clippers come to town, come to Inglewood. Can't wait. It's going to be real good. Already got my season seats. Can't wait, ready for it. Can't wait. It's gonna be an exciting venue for the Clippers. It's gonna be interesting when the Lakers come back to Inglewood to play. And if you got people that live in the condos on the site where SoFi is, they Clipper fans, they can walk to the stadium. They ain't never got to drive their car. Hopefully they have an entrance right here. I'm sure they will. Prairie and Century, that's where we're at. Good location for a basketball arena.